It's a little sad to log into your PayPal account and see a big giant zero. It feels like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to work. However, what you're about to watch will easily earn you $400 to $600 per day in PayPal money. And that's exactly what I want to help you with these short videos. But how can you obtain your first PayPal account as soon as you complete viewing this video? First, a word of warning. These videos are not for everyone. If you don't have any of the following, you won't make any money. To get started, you'll need an internet-capable device such as a smartphone, tablet, iPad, computer, laptop, or any combination of these. Second, you'll need at least 5 to 10 minutes each day to accomplish the basic PayPal money-making tasks. Finally, you must be able to follow clear and easy directions that will be set out in this video step by step. But before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. These little PayPal money-making methods are completely free and available to anyone who has a PayPal account anywhere in the world. But if you don't have one, I'll teach you how to get one. First and foremost, when I go to paypal.com, I simply click the sign up button right here to be taken to this website. Join PayPal for free today. You may simply go to a personal account and click on the next button to fill out a very simple form to sign up for a free PayPal account. With that said, you can begin receiving money into your PayPal account from various nations across the world. Now, we'll move on to step 2, and I'd like you to visit betatesting.com. When you get to the homepage of this website, click on this link up here on top that says Join as a Beta Tester, and it will take you to this page, which you can see here. Early adapters, you can join the beta tester community. This website allows you to try out a variety of intriguing new products. You can get paid to provide feedback on new applications, websites, and goods. So don't worry, this is a lot easier than what you're doing now, and I'll show you an example in a minute. First, you'll go through all the tests on various new apps, websites, and hardware that can be found here. You might be able to obtain various programs that you can try and use to begin earning money online. Keep an eye on the screen because I'll teach you how to accomplish it in a few moments. Moving on, once you've received the project, you'll go to complete your assignment, provide feedback, and submit bug reports. Finally, you can earn money as seen below. Most tests pay $10 to $20, depending on the test you're conducting. You can make much more money if you work online. Now let's go on to the next step. Now I'm going to show you how to create a free account. Simply enter your email address and click the sign up button, which will lead you to this page as seen above. One fast step towards becoming a beta tester is to answer a few questions in order to create your profile and start earning money. This step is crucial, so pay attention and keep watching because I'll show you exactly how to answer all of these questions and you'll be able to set up your profile and account in less than 5 minutes. First and foremost, you will create a password for your fresh new account. Now for the first name, simply enter your name and your last name. The second half of the section will contain information on the devices that you are using. Now some of you may use an Android phone, an iPhone, a computer, or a laptop. So you may receive different jobs and receive different payouts based on the device you use. It's also possible that the job you acquire will be different. Basically, they're going to ask you what TV model you're using right now. And if you're using an Android or iPhone, simply type in the name of the device you're using. Now I myself use an Android phone, an iPhone, and a Windows PC, so I'll just choose all 3 options right here. And the more devices you have, the more opportunities you have to make money online. Let us now proceed to the following question. For your age, simply click on this down arrow and select your age followed by your gender. For your nation, simply select the country from which you are coming from. As you can see, they're basically accepting people from all over the world. So once you've chosen your nation, all you have to do now is choose your time zone, zip code, and educational background. You can simply select all of the options right here. And for me, I choose a professional degree. And then for family income, you can select whatever income you want. Now, moving on to the following question. About technical experience, I recommend that you pick an average or expert so that we may have more opportunities. So let's go on to the next question. Which social networks do you use well? For me, I prefer Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. Are you currently employed? They will ask. Now, I'll just choose all full-time and then have to choose an industry outside of my employment because you can choose any industry you want. Right now, we're almost done with only a few more questions to go. Finally, this is an essential portion where you may choose your hobbies from a variety of categories. You can choose any category you like, but I recommend technology, business, and at the absolute least, health and fitness. These three major categories will give you the most money, and you can choose the rest based on your personal circumstances. As you can see, there are a total of 8 options available. Are you a parent? Was the last inquiry, so for myself, I simply select no, and click the submit registration button, and it's that simple. Before we get to continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. And don't forget to smash the like button and leave your comments down below. So, let's go on to the next step, which will provide you a list of apps that you can use to begin generating money on betatesting.com. Remember that test availability is heavily influenced by your country of origin, and the devices you're using you may be able to test on a variety of apps. For example, if you needed to test this app on Google Play, you could do so. What you can do next is to go to the Google Play Store and download these games, then start playing them to provide feedback on your experience with the app. And you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 for each app that you test. As long as you have an internet connection, you can do this on your Android or iPhone. It is true that we can test on a website and make extra PayPal money by doing so. So right now, I'm going to give you a quick sample so they can see the complete picture and get a good understanding of how it works. Now, if you acquire a project to test on a website such as eBay, you can do it. For instance, in the first step, you'll go to the eBay website and click the link right here. You can see that if you go to the eBay official website, you may simply follow the following steps and the next instructions, such as taking a screenshot of the eBay website homepage. If you receive this instruction, you can take a screenshot with your phone, or if you're using a computer like me, you can take a snapshot and store it as an image on your computer. Moving on to step 3, please locate the daily deal on eBay and take a screenshot. So right now, depending on what projects you receive, you may receive different instructions, but the general idea is that they want to see if you can navigate around their website. By browsing around, they want to make sure that the customer experience, the people who lead on the website, are able to navigate around and eventually successfully able to find daily deals. So right now, you may go to eBay and look for the daily deals area. Now, you can see all of the genuine daily offers section, and all you have to do is click on that link, and you'll be taken to this website where we can see that they need to use our eBay. Therefore, what you'll do now is extremely straightforward. Take a screenshot of the daily deal section to show that you are able to locate it. What you should do now is capture 3 screenshots of the eBay website's daily deal area. That's all there is to it. Now for step 4, please look for this portal right here and take a screenshot of the whole product name, which you can highlight and copy. Simply select copy and return to the eBay website where we will paste the complete product name into the search bar. You'll simply click the search button and you'll see that I've successfully located this thing. Right now, the name of the thing we're looking for can be seen here, and that's exactly what we find. I'm simply going to click on these. It's actually very straightforward. Take a screenshot to show that you did really find the product. And as you can see, it's extremely simple and straightforward. Simply follow all of the steps and directions. Finally, seek for the eBay customer service portal and capture a screenshot of it. I'm just going to return to the eBay website's homepage. I'm simply going to click on the Help and Contact page. And as you can see, I'll travel all the way to the eBay's customer service website to take a screenshot of the page, and that'll be step number 5. When compared to simply testing a simple app, you can earn a lot more money by truly evaluating the website and reading and moving through different sections of the website. Again, depending on what nation you're from and what devices you're using. You may receive different projects and be required to participate in different app tests. Different websites are actually quite exciting, fresh, innovative, and engaging concepts. So that's how you can make money online using PayPal Money on betatesting.com. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.